Hi there, welcome to my channel. In this video, you are going to learn to find inverse of a function. But before that, I want you to get ready with your stationeries so that we can try the questions together. Question 1. Find the inverse of f for the following one-to-one functions. Okay, question A, you are given fx equals to 2x minus 5. Remember, in order to find the inverse, first you have to make this sentence. Let y equals to fx. Therefore, you change the fx as y. So now you have y equals to 2x minus 5. Now remember, the subject for this equation is y, where y is in terms of x. You have to change this equation so that x becomes the subject in order to find the inverse. So as the first step, okay, you can bring the negative 5 from right hand side, move it to left hand side. Therefore, it becomes plus or positive 5. Now you have y plus 5 equals to 2x. Okay, remember again, you want to find x. Therefore, if you look at the equation now, you have y plus 5 equals to 2x. Coefficient of x now is 2. So in order to eliminate the 2, you can divide both sides of the equation by 2. Therefore, now you have y plus 5 over 2 equals to, okay, on the right hand side, left only x. So you can flip this equation and it becomes x equals to y plus 5 over 2. So now the subject is x, where the x is in terms of y. Okay, at the end of the question, must write the complete answer. Remember, the answer have to be in terms of x. So change the y as x. Therefore, the final answer for the inverse of f equals to x plus 5 over 2. And here you don't have to write the remark. Why? Because the denominator is a constant 2. You don't have the x term here. Therefore, you don't have to write the remark. Question B. Given fx equals to 3 over x. And remark given as x not equals to 0. Why not 0? Because 3 over 0 you'll get undefined. Okay, so that is why you must write the remark here, or it is already been given. Okay, so as the first step to find the inverse of f, let y equals to fx. So change the fx as y. Therefore, you have y equals to 3 over x. Now you may cross multiply this, therefore you have y over x equals to 3. Remember, now we want the subject as x. Okay, we want the x to be the subject. So x equals to 3 over y. Okay, at the end, change the y back to x. Therefore, the inverse of f equals to 3 over x. Remember, here you need to write the remark x not equals to 0. Question C. fx equals to 4 over x minus 1. Look at the remark x not equals to 1. So why 1? Because when you substitute the x value as 1, you'll get 1 minus 1 equals to 0. Therefore, 4 over 0, it is undefined. Okay, let's find the inverse. So first step, let y equals to fx. So change the fx as y. Therefore, you have y equals to 4 over x minus 1. Now you can cross multiply. Therefore, you have y in bracket x minus 1 equals to 4. Expand this. So times in the y. Therefore, you have yx minus y equals to 4. Remember, we want to find x. Therefore, the negative x is irrelevant to be on the left hand side. So move it to right hand side. Therefore, it becomes 4 plus y. Again, we want x. So you can divide or remove the y, move to the right hand side. Therefore, it becomes 4 plus y over 4. Sorry, y. 4 plus y over y. Okay, so now we have x in terms of y. So the final answer or the inverse of f is 4 plus x over x. X not equals to 0. That will be the remark. Question D. Fx equals to 5x over x minus 6. Therefore, the remark here, x not equals to 6. You should know why the x not equals to 6. Okay, now, so in order to find the inverse, let y equals to fx. Change the fx as y. Therefore, you have y equals to 5x over x minus 6. Now you can cross multiply. Therefore, you have y in bracket x minus 6 equals to 5x. Expand. Okay, now in this equation, you can see two terms with x. Therefore, you need to gather all the x term to move to the left hand side. Therefore, I'm going to move the 5x, go to the left, and negative 6y, which doesn't have any x, move it to right hand side. Okay, therefore, now remember, when you move side from right hand side to left hand side, you need to change the sign of the term. Okay, therefore positive 5. When you move it to left hand side, it becomes negative 5x. And negative 6y from the left hand side move to right hand side, it becomes positive 6y. Okay, now we have two terms with x. Therefore, you need to factorize. Take out the common factor x. Okay, so when you take out the x in bracket, you have y minus 5 equals to 6y. Okay, so as the final answer, not the final answer yet. Okay, the second last step. Okay, so x equals to 6y over, okay, bring the y minus 5, go down, so it becomes over y minus 5. And the answer have to be written in terms of x. Remember, if you forget to change it to x, then you might lose points. So the final answer of inverse of f equals to 6x over x minus 5. And remember, here we have to write the remark, x not equals to 5. Let's move on to question E. Okay, given fx equals to x plus 9 over x minus 8. The remark, x not equals to 8. Okay, as the first step to find the inverse, let y equals to fx. Therefore, you have y equals to x plus 9 over x minus 8. You can cross multiply. Therefore, x minus 8 is being multiplied with y. Okay, expand this and you have yx minus 8y equals to x plus 9. again you have two terms with x. Therefore, gather all the x term to one side and without x go to the other side. Okay, therefore you can see negative 8y move to the right hand side, it becomes positive 8y, and x from right hand side move it to left hand side, it becomes negative x. Okay, you can factorize, take out the common factor x. So in bracket you have y minus 1, not 0, it is y minus 1. Okay, now find x. Okay, so x equals to 9 plus 8y over y minus 1. So final answer is written in terms of x, and the remark x not equals to 1. Okay, with that I'm going to end this video, but before that I want you to try this question. Okay, answer is already been given, so after doing you can check your answer. Okay, good luck on that. Thanks for watching, and for more videos please subscribe.